Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit Lucidchart in PowerPoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft PowerPoint, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing a Lucidchart diagram in Microsoft PowerPoint involves updating the diagram in Lucidchart and resyncing it to your presentation. So, the first thing that we need to do is to create a diagram here in Lucidchart. For us to be able to do that, I want you to click the new button on the upper left corner, go to Lucidchart. If you haven't already, you might want to start with a blank document or create from template, which is kind of like the easier options. We can start from a sprint planning, maybe a sequence diagram, or organizational chart, or maybe a storyboard for this instance. Click the preview button to make sure that this template will make it easy to provide a high-level view of your project. If you want this, click the use template. You would be forwarded to the diagram builder. Just wait for it to load. Takes a little while. Now, from here, we can rename this file if we wanted to make it. And then go to the left side panel of our dashboard, click the images, and we're going to add an image here to make it more interactive. Now, let's put it around here, maybe this kind of, all right. And we're going to click the document settings, maybe add a background color. Right, maybe this. Now, once we are happy with the changes here in Lucidchart, I want you to go to the file section wherein we're going to export this as a series of images. For example, if we're going to use as PNG. All right, if you want to share it to your client, if you wanted, just copy that link, put in your client's email or your team member's email here. If you don't want that, just click the maybe later. But for now, we're going to save this as a PDF or a PNG, whichever you prefer. All right, you have the option to crop the content or do not crop. Quality is zoom levels, print quality, and a lot more. You can also include the page fill. Once you're happy with that, I want you to click on the download button. Once you have downloaded the PNG file or PDF file, I want you to hover to your Microsoft PowerPoint account. Now, when you open your PowerPoint, you can create a blank presentation or upload a file, which we are going to do since we have downloaded the PNG diagram in Lucidchart. What will happen is we will be forwarded to this section, all right? Or let's try to go back to the home page. Let's create something from scratch, or maybe we can start with a few templates. Business pitch, trip planning, maybe photo albums, creative design. How about a business pitch right here? Or trip planning. Let's preview this for now, or let's go directly to the presentation. All right, so here, if you want to add more images right here, we can rename this as a presentation. Let's go to the insert and click the pictures, which will give us the option to insert the diagram that we have created in Lucidchart. And of course, you can drag it to fully customize it. You see, there's an option that says edit. If you want to edit that here, you can have that option. Just wait for it to load. It takes a little while, really, but normally it does. See that? Right, so that's one option. The next option that we can do is go to the home page. All right. From this section, you need to search for the add-ins tab, which is just around on the top corner. You see the add-ins. Now, I want you to type in Lucidchart. Press enter. You see this. Click on add. It'll take a little while. click the accept and continue. You're just wanted to grant permissions for both applications, Lucidchart and PowerPoint. Click accept and continue. Just wait for it to load. Takes a little while. You will be forwarded here to click the get it now. Just sign in with your Microsoft App Source. Wait for it, and then just follow the on-screen instructions, all right? Takes a little while. Now, once you are successful, all you have to do is click the section that says Open in PowerPoint. You would be forwarded here on the PowerPoint section. Now, you will be forwarded to the Microsoft PowerPoint Online. Takes a little while because the integration takes a little bit longer. And now you can see you can now edit the diagram from Lucidchart in Microsoft PowerPoint without any problem. You see that? It's very easy. Now, you can connect the Lucid user if you want, but that's for another video. But basically, that's how you do it. All right, just click the add-ins, and of course, click the Lucidchart, and you can do whatever you wanted here. You can add more file as we go along the way. Let's insert an image. So this was the diagram that we have created earlier. And again, once we've done that, once we have connected the Lucidchart here in Microsoft PowerPoint, just click the update diagram to replace the old version with the latest changes. And again, one of the easiest way, if that doesn't work, just manual insert the diagram here on the exported version from Lucidchart. Delete the old image, insert new image using the pictures. Now, the next thing is you might want to click on the share button. You can share with this diagram from Lucidchart to your PowerPoint with people. All right, you can share with people if you want. You have all these options. All right, add a people here, type in a message, for example, this. Click on send or copy that link. All right, now you also have an option to present that, especially if you want to have a collaboration with your team members. You can share your Lucid diagram with collaborators to get feedback before inserting it into a PowerPoint. And again, if you want to connect it to Lucid user, just click this button. If you want some feedback from your team members, just do it here. Start a conversation right here if you want. And then on the file, if you want to download, export a copy of a PDF version of this diagram from Lucidchart, or export to images, you also have that option for you. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.